watching around the world. This NXT, the Women's North American Championship, is on the line. And, you know, I don't know if you noticed this or not, Book, but when I just looked up and saw Blake Monroe a second ago, she seemed to be grimacing in a little bit of pain.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that. Right now I see Blake Monroe doing some beautiful, look at that suplex. Beautiful standing suplex. Perfect time, perfect position.
And
and that right there, Vic, trust me, Blake Monroe, she knew she wasn't going to get a 3 count right there, but she just putting a lot of pressure on Thea Hale right now. I love the game plan.
You don't believe that anything that transpired just 1 week ago, even if the matchup never started, even if you want to say that it doesn't count, it's not in the record books, she still tapped out to Thea Hale.
Blake knew what she was doing, man. Blake just wanted somebody to come in and make somebody like Thea Hale release the damn hold because it was illegal. It shouldn't have never happened. She should have been fined. She should have been suspended, perhaps even fired for something like that, in my opinion.
Booker, Blake Monroe issued the open challenge. She wanted everyone from the locker room to come out. The bell did not ring, into the cover, and another kick out. No, the bell did not ring, but it was a half-second away after the official was in.
Right?
Well, if the bell didn't ring, the match never started.
She should have lost her damn job, in my opinion.
There would have
I'm
been
just saying.
disqualification. I guess we'll agree to disagree as an armbar trying to get locked in right now by the champion. As we talked about, giving the challenger a taste of her own medicine in this juncture. Thea shifting weight, shoulders down, and the champion having to kick out. But there isn't a lot on that kick out there from Blake Monroe. There certainly was a lot on that kick. But Blake Monroe is feeling the effects of the early offensive onslaught from the challenger here today.
Look at Blake right now. She just walking and talking. I love the body language from Blake. She's not rushing anything right there, which means she's not going to rush into a big shot from Thea Hale. That Thea Hale is not going to be able to jump that arm or that Kimura, whatever it is. She's not going to be able to do it with Blake Monroe. Trust me tonight.
Take a look at this right now, almost like a $1 million dream with a body scissors, and there's really nowhere for Thea to go. Thea is going to have to exert a lot of energy as she's trying to break this hold right now, create a little bit of separation, trying to feed off the energy of the NXT Universe here live in Orlando, Florida, inside the Performance Center. What a way to kick off the night. Let's not forget that coming up in our main event tonight, Fatal 4-Way. Someone will be the new #1 contender for Oba Femi in the NXT Championship at New Year's Evil. Clothesline.
Beautiful clothesline.
And Thea getting that left shoulder.
A lot of pressure being applied, man.
Well, as I asked you before, I'll ask you again. Who is walking out Women's North American Champion? Blake Monroe, who won the title at Halloween Havoc, trying to defend it here successfully tonight as the NXT Universe rallying behind Thea Hale and getting shut down.
Like that right there. Blake Monroe, she has that dark side, man. And my thing is, the question is, do we really know Blake Monroe? I mean, she stepped into NXT and just took over. Oh, wait a minute.
Talk about the main event.
Wait a minute.
Championship.
Hold the damn phone.
Implications at New Year's Evil. There's one of the 4 men who by the end of the night.
Don't say his name. Don't say it. Please don't say his name.
I won't. I'll do you that favor right now. Could be the #1 contender, but a double noggin knocker of sorts. Headbutt from Thea, and that might have woken up the challenger. And she looks like she is sure caffeinated here tonight.
He's going to need this right here. Right here, all the momentum is shifted right now. But this right here, don't waste any motions with Blake. Oh, yes, I like that hard landing.
Oh, she got all of that. Is it enough?
Whoa! That it? No.
Thea Hale, much like last week, finally has it happened.
What happened?
There's a lot of confusion right now. The official is looking down at Mike Rome. We saw the tap last week, but is it finally happened? The moment! Yes!
What the heck?
Yes!
What the heck? What the heck?
Hell yes! Thea Hale has her moment. Blake Monroe is shocked. Listen to the NXT Universe on their feet. Take another look. I mean, that was a knock the wind out of your body moment. And Blake Monroe might have gotten that right shoulder.
I saw it, man. I saw that right shoulder come up big. I think the referee made a bad call here, man. These damn junior referees.
Time for tonight's NXT Spotlight, presented by Progressive.
I bet she cried 1,000 tears after Deadline. And that just is what the hell is that?
Oh, that little.
What's this supposed to mean? Who put this here?
Who do you think, Nico? Clearly, Tatum can't accept defeat. If she knew it was good for her, she would move on, because that's what we are going to do. I corrected the mistake, and we're done.
Yeah.
Christmas came early for Thea Hale. Let's go back to moments ago in this match. We wondered about the end and the closing moments. Take a look right here. This was moments ago, Book. As you look closely into this matchup, bam, that was devastating. Knocked the air out. We don't know if there's an extent of an injury, but right there, Blake Monroe did not kick out. We have a new Women's North American